Hello guys, in this concise tutorial I will guide you through the necessary step of transitioning from a business Instagram account back to a personal one. But first, please click that subscribe button, it will really help me out. If you haven't already, locate and tap on the profile icon situated at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the three-line position at the top right corner. Look for the Setting and Privacy option and select it. Depending on your account type, you might see either Business Tool and Controls or Creator Tools and Controls. Tap on the relevant option. Within the menu, locate Switch Account Type and proceed to tap on it. Finally, choose Switch to Personal Account and confirm your decision. With this step completed, your Instagram account should successfully transition to a personal one. Once you completed the transition, feel free to comment below and let me know if this video was helpful. Your feedback is greatly appreciated. Thank you and see you in the next video. Take care.